Today we are working with the interns and our community ambassador program. We're building a playground that the interns designed for Camp St. Croix.
During our orientation, Camp St. Croix came out to us and they kind of proposed this idea, gave us a couple weeks to get some designs together, and then we presented to them.
A lot of planning has went into this. We've presented to the camp counselors here, as well as worked with building managers, and so it's been a long journey, but it all comes down to this.
I feel great, especially getting to see our ideas come from just brainstorming ideas to design to now finally completed, and getting to see everyone's reactions.
This has honestly been the best intern experience that I've seen. I haven't seen a company do something so involved with not just each other, but with the community as well.
This is a part of our culture. We do this event every single year. This is my favorite day of the internship program every summer. Really enjoy being able to help out our neighbors and the community, as well as have fun with all of our coworkers.
I enjoy being a part of an event like this because I enjoy being a part of the community and volunteering each year.
It's been really fun to make connections with the other interns and just know that we're helping make a difference. We can hear the kids yelling to us while we're working on it, and they seem really excited.
This project for me has been really fulfilling is because one of the purpose is to improve people's lives.
The community here is great. I think it's the best team and a best group of people I've worked with in a long time.
This just really gives me great satisfaction. I love this piece of our culture and the ability to help out our neighbors. This is an ongoing partnership that we really value summer to summer as well as throughout the year.